Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Iwa app Good settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we search about Iwa app and you click. In this page of app info you go to first stop and you click OK. Here you will go to this window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and